Hey guys, Brian here from Computer Cable Store, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite ways of protecting and managing cables: split loom or wire loom. This stuff is corrugated tubing made from polypropylene, which is a common type of plastic. It has a split down the entire length to allow cabling to be run through it. The other piece of equipment, which I feel is a must-have, is a sleeving installation tool. This little guy allows you to install multiple cables into a length of split loom in a matter of seconds. I'll be installing some of the more common cables in use today, including a Toslink digital audio cable, a Cat6 Ethernet cable, an HDMI and coaxial TV cable. First, we'll start by laying out the cables in the split loom next to each other. Load the cables into the tool and give the barrel a twist to close the opening so the cables don't pop out. Insert the arm section of the tool into the end and pull down along the entire length of split loom. Untwist the barrel and remove the cables. That's it, done in seconds. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Links to the products used in this video are below in the info section.